I'm here with the HISENSE Hi6 BlackLine electric smart oven. This is easy for novice cooks to use and is also an air fryer, oven and steam cooker in one. Let's take a closer look. This is really easy to use thanks to its full touch control. Here you can easily navigate the different menus and choose from quick function touch buttons. So if you're running low on time or you just don't want to have to work out complicated settings, you can get your food cooking in just one touch. Something really handy about that is that you don't have to be a good cook to get a great meal. It's got 22 auto programs that will guide you through the cooking process for loads of different meals. There are loads of recipes to choose from. You've got sponge cake, roast beef, lasagna, and you don't need to adjust the settings yourself. Just pick the program, select the weight of your dish, and everything is done for you. It can also be used as an air fryer to give you crispy fried food without the additional oil. You can also steam cook with this oven. Up here, there's a water tank that you just need to pour some water into, wait for the steam symbol to light up, press the steam add plus button, and the oven will start to cook with steam. This is particularly great for baking as it works to make your bread and your pastries golden and crispy on the outside, but light and airy on the inside. You can use it for your Sunday roast too, as it also makes sure that your chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. If you'd like to find out more information about this HISENSE oven, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.